Hi guys, this is Haley. Today I'm showing this easy, natural holiday makeup look. As you know or maybe not, I do not wear that much makeup on, so I try to keep my makeup simple, but I spice it up with a glitter eyeshadow, which I rarely use, and pinkish red lipstick. As I'm wearing pearl earrings, I wanted to make my skin look like pearl, so it looks really glowing and radiant. All the products I'm using today are from VDL, and thank you VDL for sponsoring this video. VDL is Korean makeup brands, and now they're available at Ulta and Beautylish, so you can check out their products on those two websites. If you guys want to see how I create this look, then please keep on watching. For base makeup, as I said, I wanted to make my skin look like a pearl. So to create the look, I'm using Lumilayer Primer from VDL. This primer contains really subtle purple glitters, so it gives your skin very subtle, beautiful radiance. So I'm applying thin layer of the products all over my face. And also it is moisturizing without feeling stickiness, so it is good to use before using a foundation. As this is a holiday makeup look, I'm using a foundation but natural one. So I'm using this VDL Perfect-Lasting Foundation. This one has medium coverage with natural glow finish. I'm just using one pump amount of product for all of my face, and then what I do is blending with a foundation brush, and I'm using thin layer of the products as much as possible for natural look. And then I'll apply it on my face with a light stroke, and it'll give just the right amount to cover. Keep blending until you get even layer and finish. And after applying a foundation, I dab my skin with fingertips. It gives very smooth and natural finish with the warmth of your fingertips. You can apply this technique when you use full coverage foundation as well, and at the end, it'll give just the natural look. Today I want to give a little bit flush on my cheeks, so I'm using this cream blush from VDL. The pigmentation of this product is very sheer, but it is buildable, so you could add more color until you get the look you want. It is very dewy and glides on the skin really smoothly. It is just like a lip balm. To prevent ruining my base makeup, I'm doing dot on my cheek gently and dab it with my fingertips. I put one layer a bit more on my front cheek to add more color. For eyeshadow, I'm using this glitter eyeshadow today. I rarely use this kind of eyeshadow, but I found this one is so pretty. And it is more like wet type of eyeshadow rather than dry, so it is so pigmented. I'm just applying all over my lids with my fingertips, because using your fingertips will make the shade look as pigmented as possible. And then it'll give such a nice shine on your eyes. For eyebrow, I'm using dark brown eyebrow pencil to fill in my brows. I'm not doing full-on eyebrow look as always, so I'm just filling my brows roughly and brush them out with a spoolie. After that, I'm curling my lashes. For eyelashes, I'm using this mascara fixer alone. This one holds the curls so well and it is very lightweight product. So I'm wearing 2 layers of these products to get more dramatic look. For lipstick, I'm wearing this reddish pink lipstick. If I see this as its own, it looks more like pink, but once you apply it, it looks closer to red on my lips. It is so pigmented and has matte finish, so to make a little bit more real and imperfect look, I'm doing more like blurry smudgy lips instead of full-on makeup look. So I'm applying all over my lips and blurring around the edges with a small eyeshadow brush. I want to add more color on my cheeks, so I'm applying a little bit of it on my side cheek. For the final touch, I'm using Lumilayer Primer again, but I'm using it as a highlighter. I place the product on the back of my hand first, and with a small buffing brush, I'm applying on the height of my cheekbones, underneath my brow, forehead, nose, and the center of my chin. And you will see that subtle natural glow on my skin. I think it is literally look like a pole. You could apply this on your body for that whole glam look. So yeah, this is my finished natural holiday makeup look. As it's natural, you can wear this on daytime as well as nighttime. I hope you guys find this video very helpful for your holiday makeup, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!